EURUSD this week has dropped in value, and we can see that the price has bounced in between these two price levels. 1.07276 and 1.06736 was the resistance here and the support level that has held the price from falling or even going up to the higher price levels. We see that the price is jumping these days, and there are no enough strength to push the price above or below these support and resistance levels. Weekly time frame shows us that the previous week was almost indecision candle with a larger wick on the upper side, and we can see that the price could not make a breakout below this one, which is 1.06606, an area this support have right here. And this week the price has formed a small bullish candle body, which encompasses the previous week body, which means the buyers were much stronger this week than the sellers are. But there is also wick on the upper side, and the price could not go below 1.06627 on the support level on the weekly time frame. A monthly time frame we have closed this month with this candle, so we can see that the previous two months ago the price formed this bearish breakout, then it was invalidated with this bullish breakout, and then currently the price has also invalidated this bullish breakout. So we currently have a bearish breakout formed on the chart below 1.07825, which is indicating further decline down. So there is a possibility that the next month we will see the price going even more down, but there is also a chance that the price returns all the way 1.07825 to touch this resistance and then drop down even more. The next support is still here at 1.06640. Now, what will happen on the monthly time frame? It's very hard to say, but we can see what are very important levels here that is still holding the price from falling down or going up. So if we go to the lower time frame, we will see much more clearly. We can see that the weekly time frame has been broken to the downside, and the price tends to move even more higher. But on the weekly time frame, we can see that very important support level is this one, 1.06627, that is holding the price from falling down. So it needs to be broken on the daily time frame. You will see that here. It needs to be broken here on the daily time frame in order to continue to fall down even more and to reach this one here around 1.05825. Now if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that 1.05825 is still here as a support level, and we need the price to go below this one to go further down. So the first level where the price will stop is this 1.0646, which could potentially push the price higher just to reach the previous support, then acting as a resistance and drop down even more to reach this support level. Now for that, we can see that very important is that we see the price going outside of this resistance or going outside of this support. So this will be indication where the price will move. Will the price return all the way to 1.07825, which is, we can see that, which is a monthly bearish breakout, just to confirm this one, and the price should not return above this one, 1.0725, in order to verify this bearish breakout on the monthly time frame. So this is a very important level on the monthly time frame for the next month, 1.07825, and below that is 1.05825. These are also very important levels on the weekly time frame, and we can see a smaller time frame, which is a daily, which are the support and resistance levels are very important. Now, for now, I am expecting to see the price going outside of this range area where the price is moving sideways, and when the price makes a breakout, it will be much more clear where the price is heading next. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.